Well, yan ma'am, kina-question din namin yan. Yung pag-crossover from the 19th to the 20th Congress. Dahil ang composition ng House of yung lawyers ko na lang magsalita, ma'am. Kasi papagalitan na naman ako nila. Papagalitan na naman ako noon, ma'am, ng mga lawyers ko. So, tanong natin yung lawyers.
Abogada ka, hindi mo alam tapos ng presidente ka.
Office members.
I'm sorry?
What did he say po ba?
Well, he alluded to some of the members, but that's not the whole House.
About criticisms that what do you say about criticisms that the House doesn't have the credibility to conduct its own investigation into flood control projects?
I actually agree.
There are
I agree.
dozens of contractors.
I agree.
Sir.
Umamin na yung mga congressman.
Hindi kita marinig, sir. Sorry.
Dapat ko ba umamin na yung mga congressman?
Umamin?
Oo.
Well, again, I think it's the prerogative of the executive to identify. I think the House should assist. I'm not going to tell the members what they shouldn't do. I think, alam mo naman, we're all grown men and women here. But in any case, it should be incumbent. And that's why I decided to contact SP Cheese to be a co-author of his bill na final niya sa Senado tungkol sa mga to do with the contractors and family relations. So, hopefully we'll be getting that through this Congress.
You worked with Kong Zaldico in the 19th Congress. May reaction po ba kayo nung lumabas yung 50 contractors nandun po yung Sunwest Corporation?
I'm sorry?
Do you have any reaction po na kasama po doon yung kay Kong Zaldico's Sunwest Corporation?
As of now, no.
But do you think you should be part of the investigation? You should be included in the
Again, it's
investigation.
the prerogative of the executive, so I think we should wait on what they have to say and what their indications as to the investigation will be. I don't see anything wrong with that. It's all about transparency and accountability. That's why we have an open budget. That's why we're doing what we're doing. So whatever helps towards transparency, whatever helps towards accountability, everyone and anyone should be on board for. You're going to have to ask the president. It's the prerogative of the House to pull from certain agencies that haven't been utilizing their funds. Nakita mo naman ang tawag dyan, utilization rate. Ibig sabihin, binigay ka ng 10 pesos. Kung 5 pesos ang ginamit mo sa isang taon, edi ba't ka namin bibigyan ng 10 pesos na naman kung hindi mo lang igagastos? Ilagay na lang namin sa ibang ahensya na may kaya na gumastos ng ganong klaseng pondo. So it's the prerogative of the House to do that. It's part of the checks and balances of the branches of government.
Magkano po ang flood control projects
sa Constitutional Convention for Chacha?
Oh God, I'm not even. Nasa budget pa lang tayo. I think let's not bring that up. It's the wrong time and the wrong place. I'm not gonna comment on that any further.